Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanasia. This is your first time watching, and here on my channel I focus on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and I also do a little bit of DIY. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss another upload. So if you've been watching my channel, if you've been subscribed, I've been going in April. So April, my birthday was in the beginning of the month, April the 9th, and I've been busy with work. Work has been taking over my life, so I haven't been able to be consistent on YouTube, but I plan on being consistent this summer and all month. So, my bad, I'm back. So, today's video is a Dollar Tree Family Dollar haul. So, in the town that I live in, well, city, in smaller communities, they're building Dollar Tree and Family Dollars merged together. So luckily ours just opened. I've been twice already. So I have three bags of things to show you all. I'm super excited because one thing about me, these bags are out, my bad. One thing about me, I love to save money, and if I can go to the Dollar Tree and find something that is at Target or any other big retailer, I'm gonna buy it from the Dollar Tree and from Family Dollar. I'm really not into shopping at Family Dollar like that because I don't think, maybe it is one down the street, I don't see Family Dollars like that. So it's great that they merged both of them together, and they'll be popping up in other cities and towns around America. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna start off with food because I only got 2 items and one needs to go back in the freezer. So from the Family Dollar side, I purchased these pretzels. From Dollar Tree, I purchased these Funfetti cookies. I love cookies and I love Funfetti, and it looked like it may be good, so I purchased this. So for skincare, I purchased Exfoliating Washcloth because I always wanted to try one, and I hear good things about using these on the body. There is a esthetician that I follow here on YouTube, well, subscribe, and she talked about exfoliating gloves and everything, but I saw her video after I went to the Dollar Tree, but I was like, well, a washcloth may be good enough, so I'm excited to try this. Next is stuff that I normally get from the Dollar Tree. Some cotton balls, because it's nothing like paying $1 for 100. And I had to go over to Family Dollar to get some cotton rounds, and these are $1 as well because the Dollar Tree didn't have it on their side. Next, I got some razors because I was running out of razors from Family Dollar, just $1. So still in skincare, I bought these Blemish Patches. So this is what it looks like. Let's talk about them. So I already started using them because I've had this stuff for maybe like 2 weeks. Some of it for 2 weeks, some for a week. But I purchased this last week. So a bump came on my face and I decided to use these. Granted, I've already used a product similar to this. I had the Peter Thomas Raw patches, and let me tell you, these are basically the same thing, but I like these a little bit more. If you don't know what Blemish Patches is, it's like whenever you have a bump that comes on your face, you could put these patches on the bump and the bump will come down. It takes between like I feel like 1 to 3 days of actually using it for you to see a difference in the size of the bump. Using these, it was only took 2 days. So one thing I like about the Dollar Tree ones is that they come packaged well. So you have to go inside this, open this up, and then it's inside here, and then it's a clear piece of plastic covering this. So okay, now you can see it. So this is what they look like. So you just put it on the bump, and the bump just goes down overnight. This has the lot number and expiration date, which is great. A lot of people do not look at Dollar Tree for certain items, especially like this, because they're like, I do not want to put anything that came from the Dollar Tree on my face. But let's be clear, they're probably made in the same factory. These are much thicker, and also they stay on the bump longer. So when I use the other ones from Peter Thomas Roth, which they are expensive, when I wake up, half the time it won't even be there. It'll be on my forehead, and the bump was down here. So these stay and they have a really good stick to them, and from just using on that one bump, I am satisfied. I also bought this pumice foot scrub, and I needed another one of these. I bought my last one from Target and it was $2. This was $1, and it comes with the pumice on one side, then a brush, and then right here the scraper. So it's a 3, it actually has, I think, a foul on this side, so it's a 4-in-1. So I think that this is a really good deal. So next I have this Coarse and medium grit nail file. It says it's professional quality, and it looks like the ones that my sister uses, because my sister is so into nails, and I bought this because she has something like this. And I'm going to get back into like actually trying to learn how to do acrylics and kind of doing, what is it? I'm going blank. It's not called fake nails, but press-ons. Yeah, going back to trying to do press-ons, so this will actually help file the nails. So next I bought like these nail polishes that's specifically for nail art, and I'll show you these one by one. I got white, this like hot pink, this like highlighter green, gold, because I absolutely love gold. It's not really showing up. Okay. And I purchased black. Next, because during the summer I go through a lot of clear and white nail polish. So I purchased the Kiss Gel Shine nail polish in clear and white, like I said. And I've never used Kiss nail polish, but I normally get Sally Hansen. But I mean, I'm pretty sure they're basically the same. And to do designs, I also picked up some paint brushes, because I'm just like, these should work. We can make it work. And it comes with 7 paint brushes. So for my press-ons, I purchased some clay. Hear me out. So, you know, like the little thing that you can put your press-ons on so that you can paint them? I have that. What I did not realize, or maybe I just did not pay attention, that it didn't come with the adhesive so that you can get the nails to stick to the little thing. So I decided that I could get this clay, stick them on. The nails should be dry before 24 hours before this gets hard, and it'll be a cheaper alternative. I'll let you all know how that works. So TikTok made me do it. So I purchased some Ionian 3D Faux mink lashes. They said these are hard to find. So I was like, let me just pick up one. Y'all know me. Y'all see my face. I don't be wearing no eyelashes. I don't. But I mean, for $1, we could try it out, see if it works. These are cute. They're wispy. Ooh, I don't know about these. They look very wispy. Of course they're wispy. It says natural light wispy. So everyone says these are really great, so I purchased them. I don't know about this. Hopefully I have my eyes by the end of this experiment. I also bought the lash glue to go with it. I'll let you all know how this turns out. For Wet n Wild, I purchased this liner brush. So guys, I'm gonna try to do like some little liner. I really do like a natural face, so I always say, you know, in the beginning, beauty, fashion, lifestyle. I'm lacking in beauty for you guys and showing y'all like what I do beauty wise. I can give y'all some fragrance recommendations. I can give y'all everything else. But makeup, I'm lacking. I can show you what I buy, but it doesn't really help if I'm not showing you how I apply it. So in the summer, maybe I'll give y'all a little tutorial on some makeup. Maybe. It's not my forte, but maybe we'll get there. So that's all of like the skincare and beauty that I purchased. We're about to move on to like some household items. So I purchased some pens, and the brand is Promar X. That's what it's gonna be named today. And ink from Optimus is the blue. And I just needed some pens for work, and I specifically like G2 gel pens specifically. So they're kind of expensive. So I was like, I'm at the Dollar Tree. Let me see if they have some gel pens. Let's see how they work. You see that this is already open. And I can tell you all, I am satisfied with the black pair. Blue, I'll let you know about that. Next, I have a candle making set. I'm disappointed. Maybe it's my fault because I should have known that Dollar Tree is not going to sell me some wax kits. Not wax kits, like some wax to make a candle. I should have known that. Next, I purchased a laundry bag, and this is for travel. So normally when I travel and I have dirty clothes, I just put it in like a plastic bag, but I feel like it's nicer to have like a laundry bag. Next, I purchased this container for my nail polish. So last month, my nail polish, which is in a canvas bag, first, that's not safe. It fell on the hardwood floor. Luckily, it did not get on the hardwood floor because, woo, that would have been a mess. So then I was like, yeah, it's time to invest in a container. So that's why I bought this. Next, I have some disinfectant spray. I have a stockpile of spray and wipes at this point. But the reason why I purchased this is because it's only 2 ounces. And this is really great to travel with because normally I get like the real small Lysol one. I think it's, yeah, it's Lysol brand. I would get that, but you cannot find it anywhere. I have not seen it since February of 2020. It is from the brand Home Bright. I know people are really sketched with using off-name brands, but I mean, check the ingredients. Also, because to travel, I love Clorox wipes. They had so many of these, so I picked up 4 and 1 for my sister because she was like, well, I'll just take 1. So I picked these up because I love to use these to, if I'm in like a hotel room, I wipe everything down just how I would spray everything down. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed everything that I showed you. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss another upload. And I will see you all next time.